Hello everybody, this is Richard Daigle, and this is my second video on the recently launched blockbuster secondsplash.com. And in my first video I made a prediction. I made a bold claim. I said, mark my words, secondsplash.com will be one of the most advertised and promoted programs online for months and even years to come. And I'm sticking with that claim. You see, I'm a member of literally hundreds of safe lists, viral mailers, and traffic exchanges, and I see constantly what is being advertised and promoted online. And what I'm seeing is a proliferation of ads uh, and these splash pages all on secondsplash.com. It's literally going viral, and it's going viral right before my eyes. And what's amazing is that this program has just been open for 4 days. I mean, this is amazing how this program has taken off. It's just literally exploding. And there's a good reason why. You see, the biggest problem that marketers have online is getting referrals, signups, and sales, period. It's always been that way, and I suspect it will always continue. And the reason that this happens is that most marketers are promoting their programs to people who only really want you to join their programs. So what happens is there's this competition thing going, and nobody really wins. You have a very hard time trying, to get a referral, to get a sign up, to get a sale. But Second Splash, in its brilliance and ingenious way, addresses this problem. There's really no competition. Now I'm going to show you. This is my dashboard. Uh, in the 4 days that it's been open, I've got 58 people in my downline. I've made some money, $342. The first thing that I recommend people to do when they join this program is to make some of these special splash pages, because these pages are going to go viral on you. And the way they do that is that everybody that's in your downline, your upline, your sponsors are going to be promoting their pages. And when they promote their pages, yours are also seen at the same time. Like, look at this. I've already got 985 views on this splash page, 12 clicks. And this is not from my own efforts. I mean, this, I promoted it very little. But other people are showing their splashes all over the place, and I'm benefiting from it. And so will you when you start making these pages. 22,122 views, 13 clicks, 1762 views, 11 clicks. I mean, see how this number even increases every single day. This is why they call this passive viral traffic. That's one of the biggest problems also that marketers have, is driving enough traffic to their sites. And this program addresses that problem. I'm going to just show you what this looks like. I'm going to copy this, put it in a new tab, and show you what these pages look like. You get this animation first, this anticipation, and then boom. Okay, on the left side you see either a referral, an upline, a downline member splash page, and then on the right I have mine. So every time this upline or downline or referral shows their site, mine is being shown at the same time. Uh, that is what's called passive viral traffic. And it's really cool. It increases over time. This is the way you drive traffic. It's perfect for it. What's also cool is on the top and on the bottom, if people are saying, wow, I really like this system, I want to check this out, well, they can click here or here. And one of these are going to be your link to secondsplash.com. The other one will be either your referral downline or upline. And they're random. They change over time. Sometimes you're at the top, sometimes you're at the bottom. So you have a 50-50 chance of getting a sign up and a possible sale. And this is what is called passive viral income. I mean, you're not doing anything to really get a sale. It just happens by people promoting these pages. So that is a very awesome thing. Uh, so no matter what you're in, I mean, what you're promoting, Second 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 Splash will help you build it. It gets you passive traffic to your programs, and that is what every single marketer needs. I mean, this addresses that problem. But there's really something else that that no other program has. I haven't seen this anywhere, and I'm going to show you that now. Since I've already got my 2 qualifiers, I don't really need to promote my own link anymore. I'm making money off of these, and it will continue. So what I'm doing now is go to my affiliate links, and then if you scroll down, you'll see a link that says your Help My Downline Member affiliate link. And this is the only link that I am promoting right now. And I'm going to show you that. I'm going to put it in a new tab. And it looks like all the other pages, the video sales page. But if you notice, at the top, or in the address bar, the browser, it'll say my sponsor helps me to get referrals. And if you see a sponsor or a person using that link, then he's helping his downline build. He's helping them get their 2 qualifier sales. He's helping them to make money. He's helping them to increase their traffic. So this is one of the greatest things that I've ever seen. I don't see any other program. It's actually better than a rotator because it identifies people in your downline who are actually needing their 2 qualifiers to start their own legs to make money. So this is a perfect thing. On all the pages that I'm making on Second Splash, it'll have sign up for free under one of my downline members. I'll promote your link to get you referrals. When you click the link above, it will say in the browser, my sponsor helps me to get referrals. I'm doing this on all of my promotions, and I promote a lot. So this is going to help a lot of people, and I really recommend this site. I mean, this is going to be one of the biggest sites that you're going to see for a long time. I mean, it's close to perfect to me, and I've been doing this for 23 years. And when I can help my downline get referrals and make sales, I know they're happy and they won't quit. And for me, that's the name of the game. So that's my update on secondsplash.com. I've got a link at the bottom of this video. Of course, it's the link for one of my downline members, and if you join one of them, I'll also be promoting for you to get your qualifiers in. So I thank you for watching this video. This is Richard Daigle signing out, and I thank you for listening.